how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be on SOWIGS. Y'all, I know y'all don't usually see me in my glasses, so let me explain. I just got off from work and I just wanted to just come to you to be able to show you the wig, and then I'll wash the wig and then I'll come back and style the wig. So we'll do it like that. Since I have time tonight, I thought maybe we go ahead and get SOWIGS out. This is SOWIGS right here, SOWIGS hair. And it says professional wig supplier. Look at this bag. Isn't this bag just beautiful? It's so beautiful. So inside of that bag, you also get another bag with the wig in it. But what they gave you is, it's a coupon for next order, which is SOWIGS 10. And this on the back of here is how to maintain. Care for human hair wig, care for synthetic wigs. That's what this says. Isn't this a cute card? It just tells you how to care for your wig. Also in the bag, I have, oh, this is cute. It's a pen, hair pen, bling pen that says Miss. So also it has on here like to contact SOWIGS and all of that. So this wig that I'm going to be reviewing is going to be a 22-inch wig, which is Brazilian loose wave. It's a Brazilian loose wave. It's pre-plucked, and it's a closure wig. And this is what it looks like right here. Now, it's supposed to be loose wave. Now, this looks like it's been curled to me. So, I don't want the curls added, so I'm going to shampoo it. That's the reason why I'm going to do it tonight, because this wig looked like it's actually been curled. You know, I don't know, but I'm going to wash it because I want these curls to be out. But this is 180 density. It is fairly thick, and it's 22 inches. This is really cute, though. The curls they put in here look really nice, but I don't understand why we have curls in here. Or is it going to be like it? So I'm just curious to see what this wig is going to look like once I shampoo it. So it is a 4x4 lace closure that's in there up in the top area. Because underneath it here is nothing but net. But on the top of here, we do have lace. Let me see. On top of here, yes, on top of there, you do have lace. So it's a 4x4 lace closure wig. And it is loose wave. Like I said, it's supposed to be pre-plucked with baby hairs. It's a little pre-plucked, but not like that. So let's see. This color is a 1B, and it's fairly heavy. It's not heavy, but it's thick. So you have a comb here, and you have a comb here, and you have a comb in the back, and you have adjustable straps. Which that, y'all, I love the fact that they have the adjustable strap, and this is like really thick enough where as though it holds the elastic band. I really like that. So we have netting in the back, and a little bit of, oh, you got some baby hairs on here, y'all. Y'all got some baby hairs. Here we go. So this is what she looks like. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and shampoo her. What is this? Oh, okay. They have this in here. Why is this in here? Oh, okay. So either you can be able to leave your, you can be able to put like a silk base in there, guys. Oh, this is cute. It gives you an option to put a silk-based piece of cloth in there, or either you can cut it. So, oh, I'm excited. I don't know which one I'm going to do, but I'm excited. Okay, guys, I am actually washing this wig, and the curls they had in it, I don't know why, because this hair is so beautiful. Look at how long this hair is. And they put those curls, tight curls in there, honey. Look how long. I'm serious. Look how long this wig is. It's beautiful. And then see, if I was to bunch it up. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's a loose wave, y'all. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Oh, honey. Plus, it is like super soft. It's like super soft when you're combing through. y'all, good morning. I am back with the hair on. It is dry and girl, y'all saw from what it was before. Okay, so this is what I like. Okay, so it's dry. What I did was put a part in there, and I'm actually using the Morphe 8H palette, and I'm using this color right here to put in my part. I use the even and medium brown to tint this lace, and I'm just going there, and you can see I did this part. I'm doing this part right here just to conceal it a little bit more. Okay, so I left the lace on, guys. That way you'll know that this is the same wig. Because I already know some people, that's not the same wig, baby. This is the same wig. And far as the little pocket thing that was in there, I went on and just cut that. I just cut it. So I'm just going to go ahead on and take this lace off right now. I'm just going to be quiet because after this, I'm going to be doing like baby hairs and stuff like that. Okay, and this is what this looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna, this is my baby hairs. I already imparted that out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it with some Tresemmé. And this is the Tresemmé Tress 2 spray number 5. And I'm just gonna go ahead on and spray the part right here. And spray up there. And I'm gonna use this band right here because I need it to melt. And I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes. And if you can see, this is melted into my scalp. So I'm gonna be using, where you at? I'm gonna be using Shea's Balm right here. I'm trying to look like I had a perm, y'all. That's what I'm trying to get it to look like. Like, it's relaxed hair, honey. Pay that no attention. This is a closure. Ain't nobody gonna tell me you can't get a closure wig to look like a frontal. Ain't nobody gonna tell me that. So let me just go ahead on and just do some baby hairs here. I'm gonna put some music on for this. Okay, babies, I am finished with the look. And I really love the way this looks. Oh my goodness. Really natural. Looks like I had a fresh perm, baby. This is actually a closure, a 4x4 closure. This is what the hair looks like. This hair is like really long and it's beautiful. And what I did was just add a little bit of Cantu mousse to it, just to, you know, make the curls stand out a little bit. And this hair is gorgeous. It looks really natural up in the scalp area. Here, I have soft baby hairs. Usually I don't go for soft baby hairs, but I wanted soft baby hairs this time. So this is SOWIGS, and it is beautiful. This is a Brazilian loose wave. And y'all saw it. I don't know why they put curls in there, honey. It just, yeah, this is how you want that hair to look. As far as the shedding and everything, I got probably a couple of pieces of shedding, but not something that's a lot. But I really like this style. I think that it's really cute, really neat and sleek. So I will have everything down in the description bar. If you would like to go take a look at this hair, if you would like to purchase this hair, it's very affordable. Also, this hair is nice. I already showed y'all when I shampooed it. I showed you what the unit looks like. So actually what I did is that I cut the insert. It was an insert in here. And actually I really wish that I probably would have kept in case I wanted to just put like a little silk thing in there. But this is natural looking to me. But if you want to keep that part, you can. I cut it off because it looked a little bulky right in this area. So you might want to, yeah, just cut it off. You know, you don't need it. Anyway, so you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.